name is Ryan Diggs, also known as Diigga, and I basically specialize in credit repair. Alright, three things that I did, or I tried to make what I do fun. I try to capture your attention. Hashtags, funny videos, locations, anything to make you stand out against your competitors. And once you grab someone's attention and make them laugh, it's like you got them, and then you just stay consistent with it. Like, just stay grabbing people's attention. Funny pictures, funny videos, just anything. My thought process is basically I want to stand out from the 5 people that's doing what I'm doing. Because those 5 people might be putting out the same blah material. Opposed to me, I put out something that's going to make you laugh but make you think. When I see videos online, I laugh and be like, yo, I can use this myself. So I go in, I'll edit it, put my little hashtag or my little signature on it, my little logo, and just repost it. And then next thing you know, I got 10 people laughing. And then out of those 10 people, I got 3 hitting me up like, yo, how do I fix my credit? Or how do I get my scores rise? You basically just create content, like tag someone that needs a new car, and then you might get 20 comments, and then out of those comments, you just start sending messages like, hey, I can help you do this, I can help you do that. This is the steps you need to take to accomplish this. I pretty much try to team up with people, put packages together. Like when it comes to closing costs, be like, if you sign with us as a team, get $500 off your closing costs, so I'll give you half off your first month. Just stuff to grab people's attention and to keep them interested and